Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Following that, tap on Keyboard and Input method. Select Keyboard. And finally, Theme. Now you can scroll down right away and choose Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. After finding the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And tap on Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it instead, go back to the same settings. But this time tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!